Module 8, Lesson 2, Microsoft 365 Send As. For most companies, the email identity people trust is their Microsoft 365 mailbox. Simple marketing can send through that identity, so campaigns arrive from the address your customers already know. Open Settings, then Integrations. The Integrations page lists the external connections this workspace supports. Find Microsoft 365 Send As and open it. The connect flow is OAUTH against your Microsoft tenant. You approve once with your Microsoft admin's consent if your organization requires it, and Simple Marketing receives a scoped permission to send mail as the mailbox you choose. No password stored, revocable from your Microsoft Admin Center anytime. After connecting, choose which mailbox campaigns send from. A shared mailbox like news@yourcompany.com beats a personal one. It survives staff changes, and replies land somewhere a team can triage. Make sure the mailbox actually receives replies. A no-reply address wastes the warmest moment you'll ever get with a subscriber, the moment they hit reply. With M365 connected, the dispatcher routes campaign mail through Microsoft Graph using your mailbox identity. Deliverability inherits your domain's existing reputation, and recipients' mail clients show your organization exactly as they do for mail you send by hand. Two sending paths now exist: the platform's SendGrid infrastructure, tuned for volume, and your M365 identity, tuned for trust. A sane split: bulk newsletters ride the platform path with your custom email from Next Lesson, while small high-touch sends ride M365, where the personal identity earns opens. Next Lesson, sending from your own domain on the platform path, the custom email from, and the SPF and DKIM records that make it deliverable. See you there.